Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Discord loading chunk failed error in 2025. Quick and easy. If Discord isn't loading properly or you're stuck on this error, don't worry. I'll walk you through the steps so you can get back online in no time. In your search bar, search Run and click it in the Run type, %appdata%, and click OK. Find the Discord and right-click and delete it. In the Run again, search %localappdata%. Find again the Discord and delete it also. In the web, search Discord and install it. And that's it. You've just fixed the Discord loading chunk failed issue in 2025. Super simple and quick. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.